here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from InLoveArt. You know how much I love their stuff, and I've done many collaborations with them. And when they reach out to me and say, well, do you want to do another one? Of course I had to say yes. And especially since they had a ton of new stuff that were really, really cool, and I can't wait to play with them. And I'm sure that you guys are going to be super excited about them just as much as I am. So let's go and check out the goodies. So first of all, also in the description box below, there's going to be a link to all of those products as well as a discount code. So don't forget to take it if you're so inclined to go shop. And I'm sorry if I'm enabling you, but their prices are great and their goodies are just amazing. So I'm always looking for card toppers that I can use that would be easy, and you know, like sometimes you don't want to have to think too much of what you're gonna put. Well, they had these gorgeous stickers of flowers, and I just thought they were so elegant and could go with so many different type of cards that I just had to get them, and I can't wait to use them up in card making sessions because, as I said, they're just stunning, beautiful stickers. And there's so many of them, as you can see, like the variety is huge. So it's like, so they're just so pretty, and it makes me think of spring. And now I just went outside. I actually went into the pool. I can't believe it. This is the first time I've been into the pool this year, and it's the soonest that I've ever been in the pool. So here we go. I just love them so much. Check out how beautiful that is, and so many of them. Like it's a lot of stickers, and you can see like they're all different. It's just so awesome. So I'm sure that you're gonna, if you like stickers as I do and find that they're useful, these all can be toppers for cards. Like it's going to be just amazing. So there's that. And then I'm going to do these later, these two, because I want to show this first. Yeah, if I can get my stickers back, because obviously I want to keep the stuff together for when I use it. So I got these two sets of dies, and I just thought it was amazing because I love to do, I like doing cards that are a bit different and a bit more embellished, but I don't like to have to work so hard for them. And so check that out. So these pieces all come out, and then you can reassemble them. But I was thinking how cool this is to use for scraps, because I'm still trying to use up all my scraps, and I keep on making more scraps, as you probably all know. I mean, you probably do the same thing. I don't know what happens, but I think they multiply when we go to bed, and so I need to use them up. And sometimes they're small pieces, so I thought that would be very cool. And then there's this one, which I thought was also really cool. And I thought a sentiment in the middle would be perfect, but I was also thinking that you can put like a sentiment across. And the fact that I got these two here, so this one is a big hello, and I was thinking of doubling it up to make it with a shadow type of thing, but I really like, and I like the fact that it's big, because sometimes when they're too tiny I have trouble cutting them out, and I have trouble after you know, removing the little pieces and everything and not breaking them, and then gluing the piece down. And then this one says happy birthday, and so you've got the background and then you've got the happy birthday. So I thought that was really cool. So there's that, which I thought would be amazing on top of these. Then I got this here, this stamp, which would also be really cool in top of that. But I was thinking, you know, like Valentine's Day is finished, but you can just go around and not do the Happy Valentine's Day and just do love. And that would be really cool. And I was thinking, you know, Father's Day is coming. So Father's Day, to me, it means like more masculine card type thing. And sometimes it's fun to make your own backgrounds for them. So this is what I thought I could do with this here, this beautiful die. It's kind of grungy, steampunkish type of thing, and then you've got borders and you've got stars that you can use. And I really love the fact that they have these here that you can put something to hold them and use them that way. It just feels really cool. So there's that. It was a big order, so I can't wait to play with all of these. And then there's this here, which I thought would also be great, is if you stamp this box and then cut around it, and then you can do sentiment on top. Whoops, you can't see anything. There it is. Aren't they cool? And of course, I know how much you guys love Christmas, and they had these really cool Christmassy border. So they're all snowflakes, and I thought they'd be really fun. And these, because they're small, could go into the little sidekick. So if you don't have a big shot, that would be a great tool to use for that. Obviously for these here, you would need the big machine. You wouldn't need it for the small sentiments, but for these two cards, obviously you're gonna need to have the big shot. But yeah, so I can't wait to be making some cards with these and to use all the goodies. I was thinking too, like for example here, you could do, there are some that are smaller, and of course I'm gonna have trouble putting it back in because now that I've taken it out. Trying to find one. Like it could be something like that, and then you put the sentiment next to it, pale colors and things. Or you could put something directly in the middle of the circle if you had something small enough. None of these are really small enough unless you cut around it. But I wouldn't want to do that. But you could, yeah, you know, I could almost do that. So yeah, my brain is just going 10 miles a minute. It's just like super, I've got so many ideas. So I can't wait to play with this. And so you will see upcoming card videos using these goodies. So, and possibly background making using this so that we can have something to make for cards. So love you all. I hope you go and check out InLoveArt, and if you do, don't forget to use the discount code, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.